Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save your work in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, knowing how to properly save your designs is crucial to make sure your creativity is never lost. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your work safe, collaborate with others, and export it in the format you need. So let's dive in. Autosave feature. First up, Canva has a powerful autosave feature. As you design, Canva automatically saves your work in real time. This is a lifesaver if your browser suddenly closes or there's a power outage. Just make sure you have an active internet connection because the autosave relies on it to keep your design safe. Verifying save status. Now, how do you know if your design is safely saved? Look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a cloud icon with a check mark. This means your work is fully saved and backed up. Seeing this icon gives you peace of mind, knowing your hard work is protected. Manual save and sharing. Even with autosave, you might want a local copy or to share your design. Click the share button. Here you can collaborate with team members or export your work. To save a file directly to your device, click download. Canva lets you choose from multiple formats: PDF for high quality prints, PNG for sharp images, or JPEG for versatile use. Don't forget, you can customize your format using the drop-down menu before downloading to make sure it fits your needs perfectly. After selecting your preferred format, simply click download again. Your file will now be saved directly to your device, ready to use anytime. It's that simple, and there you have it. Saving your work in Canva is easy, quick, and ensures your creativity is never lost. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.